Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chainin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus, officiated by Mubay, Davao City.
Alright, we're back to the ball game. We are back to the ball game and medyo na-stop konti, no? Yung ating live due to some technical errors. We are now in the fourth quarter with 7 minutes and 40 seconds. KNP with that long bomb. So it's 57-52, 5-point lead. Suarez, wala. Number 11. What a great pass right there for Team King, no? Good recognition. Almost a steal. Suarez, yes. Here comes Asedilio looking to his companion. Number 11 going hard, no good, but there's a foul underneath the basket. So there's a substitution right there. Yes, what a great move for Nono. Alright, so timeout Barangay King with 5 minutes and 42 seconds time remaining on the fourth quarter. At magbabalik po kami.
This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Ceniza and Kuya Noy Ceniza. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chainin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus, officiated by Mubay, Davao City. The production team, RMJ, Sports and Events, Red Insight Production, For official photo coverage, the technical working staff.
Back to the ball game. And one. Oh, it's a blind violation. It's a turnover. Block right there. Number 12, Tumono. Another block. Oh, good. It's a 24-second shot clock violation. Look at this hustle play. Oh, ayan. What a nice block by number 28. Asidilio. Wala. Yes. What a putback. Number 28. Umikot. No good. I mean, not counted. Ayan. So it's gonna be foul for the KNP. And I guess wala pa sila sa penalty situation. Asidilio, sidestep! Almost, but not quite. But there's number 6 for the putback. Number 11 to Asidilio. Asidilio may tangan na ng bola right now. Asidilio behind the back. Umaatake with that left-handed layup. Hindi lang pumasok but a steal by Asidilio. Wala pa rin! 62-63. 1 point lead with 3 minutes and 45 seconds time remaining. Kulaba, no good. There's an end sportsmanlike foul. Called by the referee. Isa ka, one. Ayan na lang, ayan na lang. Back to the ball game. Number 11, umaatake, umikot, wala. Asidilio, pass and fix. Let a step back. Nahanap si number 11 sa gitna. What a pass and what a shot for number 11. Coming up a pass from Asidilio. Wow. A nice play right there. Tamang na ngayon ang Team King King. Another steal for number 11. Back-to-back basket for number 11 for Team King King. Ayan. So it's gonna be 67-63. Lamang na po ang Team King King with 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Fourth tray, number 12, wala. Let's see if here comes number 11. $29, no good. A nice move right there. Seconds to play na lamang po. Same ball. PHA 38 seconds left sa ating fourth quarter, 68-66. Lamang ang Team King King ng 2 points. Ball possession now ng Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Let's see anong gagawin nila. Seal sa ilalim, wala. And a rebound by number 28. A steal. What a move! Wala! Ito, Asedillo. So number 11. 15 seconds. Number 23. Ayan. Technical foul. Naka-replay ito? Nagilaba yung bola? Ayan. Natawagan ng And sportsman-like foul. Yung number 23 ni Team King King. Kasi tinapon kasi yung bola sa opponent. So, bawal po yun, no? It's just an unnecessary. So, may chance pa ngayon na matabla itong score. So, let's wait for the officials.
This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Cheniza and Kuya Noy Ceniza. Presented by local government.
So, whatever. Raga diyan, naglalis. Kung income, sa tunga, ha? And we're back. Tayo nagpapasalamat, no, kay Mayor Jong Sinisa at Kuya Noy Sinisa, no, for this Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament dito sa Pantukan, no. Tayo ay nagpapasalamat din sa mga the man behind this, no, aside from Mayor Jong at Kuya Noy, si Ma'am Nitchell, no, si Doc Nitchell Asidilio, no, si Ma'am Nitchell Asidilio, the president of the College of Colegio ng Pantukan. Ayan, thank you so much, ma'am. Saka kay Coach Rael Diaz. Ayan, thank you so much po. At tayo'y nandirito ngayon dahil sa kanila. So last 2 throws plus ball possession. Let's see on the first throw. Hindi pumasok. Sayang yun. It could cut down the lead, no? Into single digit. 1 point. Wala. So they have to take 3-point basket. So it's a timeout of Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Ayan. And let's see, no? Ano bang gagawin ng KNP with 11 seconds time remaining? 3 ang kalamangan nitong Team King King. So kailangan nilang tumira ngayon ng 3 points para makatabla. So, yun ang titingnan natin. Anong gagawin ni Coach? Ano ba ang mga special play nila? Ayan, relax lang tong coach ng ANP. So, let's go. Your 3, hindi pumasok. At foul. And that's the end of the ball game. Congratulations, Team King King. No, nanalo over Team Colegio ng Pantukan Team B. With the score 69-66. Yan, and that is our final score. Again, thank you so much, no, sa Team King King, Barangay King King, at again, at ang Kolehiyo ng Pantukan for this wonderful exhibition game sa ating 18 under, sa ating unang header for today. So, stay tuned na lamang po kayo. For our next game will be the battle for third on the Division 2. Moncas going up against STI Davao. Magbabalik po kami.
Hoy, nakapagaw niyo.
This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Cheniza and Kuya Noy Seniza. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan. Our partner sponsors, Chainin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus. Officiated by Mubay Davao City. The production team, RMJ, Sports and Events. Red Insight Production for official photo coverage. The technical working staff. Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Blazing Phoenix Basketball. Ipadayon ang nasugdan nga progreso sa tibok Pantukan. Ipadayon ang progreso sa tibok Distrito 2 sa Davao de Oro. This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Cheniza and Kuya Noy Seniza. Presented by Local Government Unit of Pantukan. Organized by Kolehiyo ng Pantukan.
Naman kay Gab.
Ilang isa
Our partner sponsors, Chainin Printing Press, McDonald's, Media Coverage Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Nexus. Officiated by Mubay Davao City. The production team, RMJ, Sports and Events. Red Insight Production for official photo coverage. The technical working staff. Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Blazing Phoenix Basketball. Ipadayon ang nasugdan ng progreso sa tibok Pantukan. Ipadayon ang progreso sa tibok Distrito 2 sa Davao de Oro. This Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Tournament is brought to you by Mayor Jong Cheniza and Kuya Noy Seniza.
Alright, back to the ball game. And again, congratulations to Team Barangay King King. Won over the Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Team B. And here's our courtside reporter for the best player of the game.
Hello viewers, you are still watching Mayor Jong Seniza and Kuya Noy Seniza Intercollegiate Basketball Invitational Championship. So together with us now is our player of the game for our first game, Kolehiyo ng Pantukan Varsity Team B versus King King basketball team. So together.
Dua ka buko.
Iparitik. Iparitik.
siya. So abangan natin ang next game. Back to you, Coach Wawa.
All right, thank you so much, Katrina, no, for our best player interview, no, ng number 11 Barangay King.
So again, that was just our first game, guys. So later on, our next game, battle for third for the college Division 2 division. Moncayo College Arts and Science and Technology going up against the STI College Davao.
Ano wala sa inyo?